Hi,
Uh, yep, there you are.
how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you today, Viral?
I'm excited.
That is great. Thank you so much for taking out the time and joining us here today. I'm just going to leave you be with all of our audience and let you tell them what they're doing here and what they can expect out of this meetup.
Sure. Okay. Hi, everyone. Namaste, and I hope you are doing well. Let me just start by thanking you all for taking your time and joining in. Welcome to Flutter Remote Meetup. Uh, we all know that 2021 has been a pretty rough year for us, right? There had been some bad news. Second wave of COVID hit India, but we had our part of good news also, right? In technology world, we had Flutter Engage in March, and with Flutter Engage, we all know we got Flutter 2.0, and with Flutter 2.0, we have multi-platform support. So now all the platforms you can think of supports Flutter. That's awesome. At Flutter Meetup, we always aims to bring the community together and grow as a community because that's the best way to grow together. We always uh, try to achieve to bring the best of the speakers we can to bring the best topics with the trending technologies and packages in the Flutter. And we always hope that when you leave the Flutter Meetup, you take with some knowledge and new information. Yeah, that's about Flutter Remote Meetup. Let me talk a bit about Geeky Ants, who we are and what we do here. Basically, Geeky Ants was established in 2005 6. We've been working on web apps, mobile apps, and we just love open source contributions, right? We work on all the frameworks. We work on Flutter, React Native, Svelte, Angular. You just name it, and we work on it, right? Let's talk about Flutter at Geeky Ants. We have our heart in community building, right? We've been working on Flutter since the beta stage. Since there was no even Flutter 1.0, we've been working on Flutter and we just loved Flutter. And we thought like there's a huge scope of Flutter and we wanted to become a part of this community. So we wanted to give something back to community. So we started our own group of Flutter meetup and uh, with the only hope of bringing Flutter enthusiasts together, and talk about Flutter, geek around Flutter. And recently, we came to know that Bangalore meetup is officially recognized by Flutter. So that's a really good thing. Then we have officially contributed in Flutter documentation. So there is a part of Flutter documentation that has been created and maintained by Geekiacs. We've been working on open source projects like Flutter Starter. Flutter Starter is an awesome kit. I don't want to more about it because I'll be giving away the speech. We have a really good session on Flutter Starter in this meetup. So stay tuned. Then we have Flutter Flick Video Player in a really good package. You can find it on PubDev. You can use this package to create awesome video players and video apps. We have Flutter Marketplace. So Flutter Marketplace is an awesome place. You can go there. You can check out new Flutter themes, UIs. You can purchase it, and you can just use it into your production app to boost up your productivity. We've been also doing some experiments, writing some articles. I have a series of articles on how you can implement AWS Amplify on Flutter. And we have also great articles like how you can integrate a blockchain onto Flutter. So you can check it out on Hashnode, or you can go to techblock.geekyants.com. We've been doing experiments on multi-platform. So as we all know that Flutter has multi-platform support, so why not experiment with it? So since March, we had some requirements working on Flutter Web, Flutter Desktop. I myself have worked on Flutter Desktop and the results are amazing. So that's really huge. Let's talk about today's agenda in our meetup. For the first, we have Madhav Bansal talking about why do we need Flutter Starter. We will teach you and tell you why you need Flutter Starter Kit, how you can utilize the most about it, and how you can boost up your productivity. Then we have Ganesh talking about FCM messages with Flutter, how you can integrate Firebase Cloud Messages with your app to increase your retention rate of users and to re-engage the users with your app. So that's a great thing. Then we have Principles of 3D Design in Flutter by Manas Pratap Thakur. So this is a spoiler alert. He will be showing you an awesome 3D animation he has done in making a Royal Enfield bike 3D. It's awesome. You should check it out. Then we have Running Dart on ARM servers by Chris Swan. Again, and really awesome. We all know that Dart compiles it natively into the architecture you're running on. But Chris will show you how you can run it on ARM servers, how you can achieve cross compilation. That's a really good speech. You should check it out. Before ending, let's just talk about code of conduct. Be friendly and network, topmost priority and the most important point. Then don't use any hate speeches or inappropriate comments, because why should we? Don't use any racist comment in the comment section also. Keep it simple, right? We are here to learn, so keep learning. Ask your question in the chat section only. You might have questions after each session, right? So just put your question in the chat section and we will get back to you. Don't spam your question in the chat. There is no need to paste your questions again and again. Eventually, we will get back to it. Yeah, thank you. Enjoy the event.